started welding this one. Yeah, I didn't do the camera on whatever. Yeah. I'll weld it up for you now so that way you can see it. I'll probably adjust the camera a little bit. Using a piece of galvanized actually as a camera stand. You can see the other pieces right here. Yeah. Enjoy some Slipknot and watch me welding. We'll work right on this side. Oh, okay. Now, for those of you who don't stick weld a lot or are not from the old school of stick welding, I'll teach you a real quick way how to patch holes. Where if you know how to TIG weld, you already know how to do this. Alright, now, not sure if you would really see that or not, but what I did is I grabbed another rod and I just dip it in like a filler rod. So, yeah, but it works. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, so I wouldn't exactly recommend doing it if like you're getting paid for the job. But I'm just making this for in here, so I don't really care. Alright. That'll probably be it. You'll see another one, then I'll probably turn it on when I start actually putting everything together. So, alright, until then.